Hello.
Hello, sir. My name is Gladys, and I'm calling back from Vinfast, US. We just received a missed call from this number. Do you need any assistance on it?
Yes. I wanted to know about the company. I wanted to know about Vinfast. There's two dealers near me. And I am looking for an EV, but I did wanted to go over information about the company. When did it get to the United States? And anything you could tell me. I'm kind of doing a beginning to end review. I'm recording all my transactions to see how the whole process goes. Uh, are you able to help me with that?
So may I confirm if you are living in California or any other state?
I'm in the New York area.
In New York, okay. So I believe that you are interested in our Vinfast vehicle. So I can provide you with the phone number of our dealer in New York. You can connect with them directly. They will provide you with any information you have regarding the vehicle and the policy.
Hmm. Okay, so you wouldn't be able to like give me information. Like I wanted to start off with the company itself, because I want to do a review about everything. So I wanted to see like how the VinFast get here, where's the headquarters, how many cars they've sold so far, things like that. Is there like a department you could help me transfer me to, or?
Oh, well, I can provide you with some general information,
Okay.
but I cannot say for sure if I have all the data and the numbers about how many cars it is in the
Okay.
U.S. I can let you know that the headquarters is in California.
Okay.
We are based in California, and we have quite a lot of dealers in other states as well. And at the moment, we offer VF8 and VF9, and also an e-bike, the Dragonfly.
Okay. Perfect. VA6. When would they be available?
VF5, VF6, and VF7. As of right now, they are not available in the US, but we are planning to introduce those models in the near future. But I don't have the exact information when it will be, but
Okay.
that is in the plan.
Okay. Well, so if I call the dealers, will they have more information, or is there another department I could talk to?
If you connect with our dealers, they can provide you with information related to the car itself, like the specifications of the vehicle, the sales policy, kind of so.
Do you have
And if you have any
Do you have like a marketing department I could talk to?
marketing department, well, it will depend on your question or your inquiry. If you don't mind, you can send us an email with the details of your question. I can forward it to related department for further processing because we cannot transfer the call directly
Okay.
to marketing department on the line.
Okay. I do have like other questions. I do. Thank you for helping me with the questions you gave me. I appreciate that. But I just had like additional questions on the market, like how many cars have sold in the U.S. and just I wanted to have more information about the process that I'll be going through. That's fine. I'll email them then.
If you don't mind, you can go to our website and go to YouTube channel. So I believe you can find more information about the company and
Okay.
all the projects or the campaigns that we have had.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Look,
If
yes.
you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us back.
Okay. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Okay. Well, got a little bit of information there. I'll be here. I'm still waiting for the dealer to get back to us.